Hello, YouTube. It's Judy, Melissa. I know my hair looks like crap, and you could hear my baby in the back, but I'm sorry, my baby's having fun right now, and I'm not about to do my hair just to do this unboxing video. As y'all heard me, I'm doing an unboxing video. I don't believe it's my first video like this, so let's just get into the video. This is the box. You're about to find out what I got. You're gonna be surprised, okay? Yes, this isn't a box knife, but it does the same stuff. It does the same thing, so I got this from my dad before I went off to college. It was a college gift. Yeah, it's a blue dragon on there. There's something in there that I got, but it's not for this video. So it's just an Amazon purchase. I love popping things. I just scared him. But anyway, my YouTube videos gonna go. My YouTube videos gonna get to the next level. I got a way better tripod, a ring light, a better phone mount. This is way better than the phone mount I got right now. So put the price on either side whenever I find out how much I got it for. I got this little thank you card from the company that I got it from. So cute. Yes, look at this. Oh, I just cut myself with the box. This is a ring light. And my boyfriend keeps looking at me. Even though I told him, he's making me nervous when he looks at me. But he don't care. And I got me some bubble wrap. This girl used to work with. That she'll just come up out of nowhere asking me if I want bubble wrap. From, you know, boxes that she opened. And I'm like, no, I'm working. I'm good, girl. I'm good. This is the tripod. Damn. I'm gonna have to get used to this. This is a tripod. I'm about to freaking hurt myself. I'm so confused. Okay. I'm doing. I don't know. Oh, this is why the thing is right here. I'll be back whenever I figure this out. All right, y'all. I feel stupid. My boyfriend helped me out with it. But look, let me take this off so I can show you how stupid I am. I was looking up YouTube videos for it and everything. So this is how the thing comes.
It's a cap.
It's a cap. I was trying to figure out how to make this hole right here fit into this big thing. I was getting frustrated and everything, and my boyfriend was like, let me help, let me see. And then, you know, I'm still looking up YouTube videos, and he's like, babe, you take this part off, it comes off, and then you just screw it on. I'm like, ugh, I'm so dumb. But Yes, that's what you do. You take off that little cap and then you screw this part on. So sorry, y'all. Now y'all really know how stupid I am. Okay, there's that part. Plug up this part. Only thing I don't really like about this ring light is that you have to freaking plug it up. But, you know, it's whatever. It was a really cheap ring light slash tripod with phone mount. I just wanted to take my YouTube videos, you know, to the next level. I mean, the tripod that I have right now sucks. It really sucks, but it's doing something, you know. Crap. I'm about to have to plug this up. I'm about to have my boyfriend plug it up real quick. Baby, I need you to plug up this one. He's plugging it up right now. Y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Hunty, look. Look at that. Yes, you see the difference that it's making for this video already? Let me show you. There's this thing on there that does it. Let's see. Like, it made it a little bit darker, and I'm sorry, that's my boyfriend. Make it lighter, brighter. That's the brightest that it goes. Well, ew, girl. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, obviously like it. But comment any video suggestions that y'all want to see, and share, please, please, please share my videos. And do not forget to subscribe to Judy Melissa's channel. All right, see y'all later.